Hey, good day everyone. I've got this automatic chicken coop door here for an unboxing and review. This thing's nice because it can be operated via solar power, or you can charge it up with the USB, either or both. And I'll demonstrate both here in this video. Here's a look at everything that came in the box. It's got the door, the automatic door there, the solar panel, the mounting brackets, the remote control with the antenna on it. Now that cord comes with it as well, the owner's manual, of course, and the console there on the opener. It actually detaches. That way, once you have it installed, you can just disconnect it there. That electrical connection fitting, just pop that loose, and now you can go plug it into the wall, charge it up, and bring it back to the door for operation, especially during those times where maybe there's not enough sunlight in your area. And so it's a nice option, and that connection is just right in the bottom of that console, and it's easily installed and uninstalled there. So that's the power button there on the left. This thing's really nice. It's got a whole bunch of different features on it, and easy to use, easy to set up, lightweight. Here's a look at it charging the USB connector into the wall. And there's a look at it, quick look at it at night, showing that red LED. Here's where it's going to go. Here's the chicken coop door. And I'm just going to kind of frame it in a little bit. Actually, I'm just going to install a spacer to make up the difference, because this hole here is a little bit bigger than the door, which is just fine. Then I just cut a piece of wood, piece of plywood to kind of match up with it. And this door installs with just a few screws. And it comes with the installation screws as well. Here it is, got the console on there. This thing has a feature too where you can light up the panel, or you can use it without the light. There it is, just kind of showing the manual opening and closing of the thing. It's really smooth, really quiet, definitely not going to scare the chickens. It's a multi-function panel here too, because it lets you know, hey, this thing's charging on solar, it's charged up via the USB, and it'll give your battery indication levels on there as well. The other nice thing about this is you can preset when you want it to open and when you want it to close. So you can just type in the time of day on there and set the time of opening and set the time of closing as well. With the solar panel mounted on the outside of the coop, ran the wire right down to the console here. It comes with a nice length of cord too for running it to your console there. Very happy with this thing. Love it. Going to use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.